We've just acquired this Vauxhall Astra diesel. We took it in part exchange, we've driven it, we've serviced it, and it's MOT'd. It's in lovely condition. It's just had 2 new front tyres on the vehicle. Nice paintwork. It's the ecoFLEX diesel model. It's got the rear park distance control. Carpet mats in the boot. The boot's all in good condition. It's got full electric windows, electric mirrors, the half leather design trim, 6-speed gearbox. It's got cruise control. It's in really nice condition for its age and mileage. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005, and the cam belt and water pump has been replaced too, with a comprehensive service history. Thank you, bye.